How to gain self-confidence and boost self-esteem. Ever feel like your own mind is your biggest enemy? You have a thought, a dream. Maybe you want to speak up in a meeting, ask someone out, or apply for a better job. And then the whisper starts. You're not good enough. They'll see you're a fraud. Who do you think you are? It's not a shout. It's a quiet, constant soundtrack. And so you shrink back. You stay quiet. You settle. You watch from the sidelines. Why does this happen? It's not because you're broken or flawed in some permanent way. It's because, at some point, you started collecting evidence. A harsh comment here, a failure there, a comparison you couldn't win. Your mind, trying to protect you from future hurt, filed these away as proof. See? It says, this just confirms it. You are less than. You built a case against yourself, and now you're the prosecutor, judge, and jury in your own trial, every day. But here is the most important thing you will hear today. Self-esteem isn't a discovery, it's a creation. You didn't find low self-esteem. You built it, brick by brick, thought by thought. And what can be built can be rebuilt. Confidence isn't a personality trait you're born with or without. It's a skill. It's a habit. And just like any habit, it can be learned. Think about it. When you lack confidence, you're not seeing reality clearly. You're seeing it through a filter, covered in the fingerprints of past criticism, fear, and doubt. You see a challenge and think, I can't. You see a person and think, I'm less. That's not the truth. That's a story. And it's a story you have the power to rewrite. This isn't about faking it till you make it, or slapping on a smile you don't feel. This is a quiet, internal revolution. It is about changing the relationship you have with the person you spend every single moment of your life with, yourself. So, how do we start this rebuild? With these 3 simple but profound shifts. Shift 1. Change the evidence you collect. Your brain is a detective, always looking for clues to support its beliefs. If it believes I'm not likable, it will highlight every awkward silence, every unanswered text as proof. Your mission is to become a new detective, looking for counter-evidence. This is not blind positivity. This is factual investigation. Start small. At the end of each day, ask yourself, what is one thing I did today that was confident? What is one small way I showed up for myself or someone else? Did you finish a task? Did you listen kindly? Did you choose a healthy meal? Did you simply get out of bed when it was hard? That's evidence. Write it down. A single sentence. You are retraining your brain to see the full picture, not just the negative highlights. Over time, you are building a new case file, one that proves your capability, your kindness, your resilience. You are collecting bricks for a new foundation. Shift 2. Speak to yourself like someone you love. Listen to your inner voice for a day. Is it supportive? Or is it cruel, demanding, and sarcastic in a way you would never, ever speak to a friend? You would never tell a friend who failed, "You're such an idiot. You always mess up." You'd say these instead. "That's okay. It was a tough situation. What did you learn?" So why do you accept that abuse from yourself? Your new practice is this. Catch the cruel thought and rephrase it with compassion. When the voice says, "You completely messed up that presentation," pause and respond, "I felt nervous and some parts were shaky, but I got through it and the main point was delivered. Next time, I'll practice the opening more." See the difference? The first is a judgment of your character. The second is a kind assessment of an event. This isn't letting yourself off the hook. It's changing the hook from a weapon of punishment into a tool for gentle guidance. The tone you use with yourself becomes the atmosphere you live in. Choose a kind atmosphere. Shift 3. Act before you feel confident. This is the secret. You don't think your way into confidence. You act your way into it. Confidence is the feeling that follows courageous action, not the prerequisite for it. You will never feel ready. The feeling comes after the doing. So, use the micro-bravery framework. Don't aim to be confident at parties. That's huge and vague. Aim for, at the party tonight, I will make eye contact and ask one person one question about themselves. Don't aim to be a confident public speaker. Aim for, in this meeting, I will voice one prepared opinion. Your goal is not a flawless performance. Your goal is the action itself. Every single time you do the small, brave thing, send the email, wear the outfit, voice the idea, you send a powerful message to your subconscious. I am someone who does this. And with each micro-bravery, you collect more evidence, you speak more kindly about your effort, and the confidence feeling begins to tag along slowly after your actions. Here's the truth. The people you see as confident, they aren't free from doubt. They've just had more practice managing it. They've built their confidence day by day, action by action, the same way you built your self-doubt. The blueprint is available to you. Your worth isn't on the line every time you try something. You are not your failures. You are not your awkward moments. You are the being who tries, who learns, who gets up, who cares. That is your core. The insecurity is just noise around it. So start your rebuild today. Don't wait to feel worthy. Build worthiness through your actions. Collect one piece of counter-evidence. Intercept one cruel thought with kindness. Execute one act of micro-bravery. This is how you reverse the story. This is how you change the soundtrack. Brick by brick, word by word, action by action. You are not fixing something broken. You are constructing something strong, resilient, and authentically yours. The foundation is waiting. You have all the tools. Start building.